Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Linux, Ubuntu to be specific. Your distro might be different, but it is still the same button. So if you want to take a screenshot on Linux, what you have to do is to click on the print screen button right here, and you're going to see, depend on the distro, some distro can take a screenshot immediately when you click on print screen, but this one, it will give you an option to select if you want to take a screenshot from a specific area in the screen, or you want to take a screenshot all screen. So I'll go with all screen. When you are done, you click on capture and it will take a screenshot, and the screenshot is ready for you to use right here. Or you can simply click on alt and print screen, also take a screenshot for you. So that's how you take a screenshot on Linux. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.